There have been multiple sell-off trends recorded in Bitcoin since the crash in December 2021. These sell-offs have been responsible for the decline in prices recorded in the digital asset over the last couple of months. Naturally, sell-off trends can be recorded on their magnitude depending on when the trading hours of a particular region are open. This time around, it seems that macro pressure on the U.S. market has been the culprit. The sell-offs of the past 2 months have been especially brutal and have dragged down the year-to-date values. However, it seems that most of the sell-offs have been taking place during the daytime trading hours in the United States. This is apparent by looking at the year-to-date values during the U.S. trading hours in comparison to that of the European year-to-date value. The stark contrast unveils where most sell-offs had happened. Related reading: bullish, Bitcoin marks first green weekly close after 2 months in the red as it sits now. The year-to-date values during the U.S. trading hours have declined into the negative. It is sitting at -32.55% while its European counterpart is looking at positive year-to-date values of +16%. What this shows is that sell-offs for the past 2 months have mainly originated from American traders. This is even in comparison to the Asian trading hours, which also show a more favorable year-to-date value compared to the US. Mostly, this is obvious due to the high correlation between Bitcoin and the equities market for the past 2 months. It is also good to note that American traders are not the only ones using the macro markets to assess their risk in Bitcoin. Since traders in other regions also use the equity markets such as the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 as a way to assess their risk appetite, they may also be dumping Bitcoin during the U.S. trading hours. Recently, it has been obvious that there has been a lot of sell-offs happening once the U.S. markets open up for trading. This is evident in the fact that the price of the digital asset tends to recover during the early hours of the morning while the European and Asian markets are open. However, once the U.S. markets open for the day, the downtrends are usually apparent. Related reading.